Nothing's more frustrating than a phone that won't charge when you need it most. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tracy Tips, the place where we share simple yet incredibly effective tips. Each of us surely has a phone and always carries it around. With hours of daily use for our favorite activities like browsing the internet, watching videos, or calling our loved ones, your device will notify you that the battery is running low and you'll immediately rush to find a charger to plug it in. After using a mobile phone for a long time, the phone suddenly doesn't charge. And then I tried wiggling the charging port back and forth to see if it would charge. But the result is, if you move or wiggle it, the charging starts. Then, there's no more sign of charging. Charging status is inconsistent, or the charger becomes unusable. I've been in this situation many times, and it made me very confused. Today, I'll show you the simple secret to solve it yourself. First, when the phone doesn't charge, you need to turn off the phone and restart it. This is the simplest way. This method can help you solve many problems, including software glitches. After restarting the phone, if the charging status still doesn't change, then you should eliminate the possibility that the problem lies with the charger. I tested this charger by using it to charge another electronic device. When I connected the charger to the device and saw it light up normally, I knew my charger was working perfectly. If the charger is not the issue, then the problem might be with the phone's charging port. Usually, the problem is not the battery, but the port being blocked, so the charger doesn't work. Now we need to clean the phone's charging port. First, find an old toothbrush and gently scrub the port to remove most of the dust. This is an area that easily accumulates dust, but we rarely notice it. Can you see the dust flying? I couldn't believe it had built up that much. Next, prepare a little alcohol. Just a little is enough. Then, prepare a bit of tissue paper. I use kitchen paper. Note that you shouldn't use soft tissue that easily dissolves and tears when in contact with water. You can also use a cotton cloth, non-woven fabric, or other materials. No matter how hard you rub, it won't break into pieces. We cut it a bit with scissors. Fold it in half and wrap it around a toothpick. Next, dip it in alcohol. Use it to clean the phone's charging port. Remember to insert it and clean it gently. This method can clean the dust inside. Remember to use alcohol because it evaporates quickly to keep the phone dry. This helps us use the phone more safely afterward. Normally, very few people think of cleaning their phone themselves. If you don't know how to clean it, over time, dust will accumulate inside the charger. The reason for dust buildup in the port might be because when people plug in the charger, the dust at the charger's tip gets pushed inside and gradually forms a thick layer over time. Therefore, after long use, when we plug in the charger, it won't fit properly and affects the charging process. Especially for us ladies, we love putting our phones in our pockets or bags because it's convenient. Even if the pants are clean, a bit of lint in the pocket can fall into the charging slot and affect the phone's charging ability. That's why our device might only charge when the charger is wiggled or moved accidentally. So if you encounter this situation, we must fix it ourselves first. Clean it, and then use a hairdryer to quickly evaporate the alcohol inside. A very simple and effective way is to use a hairdryer. Point the dryer toward the phone's charging port and blow gently for a while. This can remove dust from the port to achieve a cleaning effect. On one hand, the alcohol will quickly evaporate and help the phone dry again. This also ensures effective cleaning. Insert it into the charging slot and you can use strong wind to blow it away. After the alcohol in the charging port evaporates, let's charge the phone again. Then we'll see the phone return to normal. After cleaning, you can easily solve the issue of the phone not charging at home without spending a cent. You can fix it yourself with a few simple methods. When this happens, try these methods first, and maybe you can solve the problem on your own. Of course, we also need to regularly clean and maintain our phones. This can effectively prevent many issues from happening. Over time, your phone or tablet screen will be covered in dust and fingerprints. But it's not easy to completely clean those stains. While we're at it, I'll share with you 2 simple and quick tips to completely remove those stains. First, use a soft cloth or microfiber cloth. Microfiber cloths are soft, smooth, and have good dust trapping ability. They can clean stains without affecting the screen. Here's how. Spray enough water onto the cloth to moisten it. Never use coarse, hard fabric or cloths containing a lot of nylon because they will cause tiny scratches that negatively affect the display quality of the screen, and the cleaning effect of those cloths is very poor. Gently wipe from top to bottom. The second method is using vinegar. Vinegar is easy to find and can clean stubborn stains on the touchscreen thanks to its acidity. Although it has a low pH, it's considered a weak acid, enough to damage the phone's oleophobic coating. So you need to dilute the vinegar. Mix white vinegar and water in a 50-50 ratio. Then moisten a soft cloth with just enough of the solution to dampen it. Gently wipe the touchscreen, then dry it with a clean cloth. Be careful not to use too much of the solution. Just use a small amount to moisten the cloth. Don't forget to use a soft cloth or towel to wipe it. Have you tried any methods to clean your phone? If yes, leave a comment below so I can know. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found this video interesting and helpful, please give me a like and don't forget to share it with your loved ones and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.